Welcome to 132 La Ventana Drive in Liberty Hill, Texas, where modern elegance meets timeless Texas charm, a custom home by Sidderly. Let's go inside and take a look. Our walk-in shower, nice custom tile accent there on the shower, and your master closet for his and hers. Plenty of space in here for your wardrobe. Next, as you walk into the house and turn right, you have your office right here. So this is our office for the house. And over here, you have a beautiful bar for entertaining. So what I love about this bar section is it's got a nice refrigerator for white wine, and you have a nice ice maker as well. Really nice touch. And immediately to the right of the bar is our laundry room, our mud room, and the garage. Now, as you're walking through the kitchen, you have your dining room right here with lots of natural light and views of the hill country. We have one of our guest bedrooms right here. This guest bedroom does feature its own full bath. Now, this home is 5 bedrooms, 6 baths with the game room. So we're going to go upstairs and take a look at the game room. Lots of natural light in this game room. Setting up a pool table. You can make this a media space, a play space for your kiddos when they visit. And then right adjacent to our game room is our final guest bedroom. And then a full bath. Our 6th full bathroom upstairs. Thank you for watching our custom tour of this beautiful Sidley home in Santa Rita Ranch. And if you're thinking of moving in Austin or relocating to the Austin area, click that link tree below this video to schedule your no obligation consultation call, and we look forward to serving you.